Good morning, beauties. Welcome to 12 days of Vlogmas. Today is day 2. And we have a very busy day today. It's very school oriented. I'm getting ready for class right now that I have in like 40 minutes, and then I have another class after that. If anyone doesn't know, I'm a film major and it's finals week right now, so I am kind of on this grind, get it done so that winter break, when it comes around, I can literally just hang out with my family and do what I want to do and create a lot of makeup videos. We're on that grind stretch right now, but we will push through. Thankfully, I am a film major and not a nursing major, so it's bearable. I am like stressed out, and that's why I'm doing like a little bit more. Like, I'm literally gonna put on lashes today. For what reason? I don't know. Other than that, I'm stressed out and doing makeup helps calm me down. Pop on a lash and call it a day. Okay, I am about to run to class really quick, but this is the fit for the day. It's just an urban sweatsuit. Yeah, nothing too crazy. I'm excited to get to class because today we're doing presentations on like our favorite scenes in movies and like how they made it. I'm excited to just go do it. I'm doing it on The Conjuring because it's so interesting how they made that movie, and Patrick Wilson is super hot. So I just finished class and Amaris and I are gonna go to the study rooms to go finish up more homework projects, but we're gonna get food first, so we'll see you guys at the study rooms. Bye-bye. That was literally the nicest thing. I like go to film me opening my fortune cookie, and Amaris pauses the TV. She's like, oh, vlog time, no copyright here. She's so on it. That was literally like my love language. We got really yummy tacos from like this taco stand on campus, and then we each got 3 tacos thinking that they, sorry, I'm like trying to adjust, thinking that they would be like filling, but they were so small. So then we went to Panda, which we never go to.
It's like our second time.
Yeah, we never go to Panda, but the fact that we were like, everything is so far away. We try to go to the study rooms. All of them are completely full. So we end up just back at our apartment, doing homework, eating our food, and watching Are You the One? But I wanted, what did your fortune cookie say?
You will be surprised by a close friend.
We know what that means. I have to take a bite of mine first, right?
Uh-huh. Did you eat the whole half?
The whole half?
No.
Drum roll, please. New challenges and adventures await.
Oh my god! I love that.
I guess we'll see what new adventures and challenges await.
Oh, okay.
That kind of makes me nervous though that it says new challenges, because I feel like I have been facing challenges one after the other for the last 9 months, like straight with no breaks. So
yeah,
that makes me nervous that there's more ahead. If you can't tell how literally delusional we are at this point in time from staring at computer screens and doing homework for literally 20 hours straight a day, but we'll get through. Okay, we're gonna go do some homework.
You on what my close friend does.
I'll let you know what adventures I'm going on and challenges I'm facing. It's the end of the night. It's like almost 11 p.m. right now, and I still have to edit and upload this video. But today has been a really long day, and Amaris is gonna come join us in whenever she wants to. But hi everybody. I finished 2 of my classes today.
I finished 1.
She finished 1, but she has like final tests. I have like final movies, so different forms of.
I have a final at 7 in the morning tomorrow.
Yeah.
So. And I haven't studied for it yet, so.
Right now we're gonna do a little detox. So we're gonna do some self-care, skincare with you guys so that we can like mentally be sane tomorrow. Alrighty, I'm gonna start with taking off my makeup.
All the things I did just so I could call
You mine.
that. I wish I could have witnessed, like felt that. I love taking off eyelashes.
It felt good. It felt good after today. Today's
I'm gonna
been.
make some tea. Do you want some tea?
Oh my god, I was gonna make tea too. Oh my god. Also, after we finish our skincare, do you want to go to the antelope? Okay, cool. Antelope is like our little, it's like a little grocery store on campus.
Yeah.
Honestly, it's like a reward. Like, we're like, okay, we've studied for like 2.5 hours straight. Like let's go to Antelope.
You guys, I'm literally gonna put this on my face. It's a hydrating pineapple peel-off mask.
Ooh.
Simply cleanse your face with warm water, then apply the mask with your fingertips. Avoid hair, eyes, mouth, lips, eyebrows.
I'm using my typical Ole Henriksen cold plunge pore mask.
So she's really cool. I'm just using whatever this is from like Target. Okay, whatever. That, oh my god.
Right? I feel like I'm literally painting right now.
I freaking love that. What?
Do you want to use this one?
No.
Okay.
You're gonna destroy my skin or like do something. I don't know, but we'll see. Oh, I did put self-tanner on. Oh no!
That is gonna be...
Should I wash off my face right now?
Okay, we'll check back with you later when we finish our face masks. It is time to take off the face mask. It's like a reward. Honestly, I feel so much better after doing that. It is pouring down rain in Arizona right now. It's monsoon rain, and it's not monsoon season, and it literally does not rain here. It's so windy. And there's car alarms going on. Okay, we literally were running back to the building, and because the storm was so bad, the bag of food flew out of my hand, and then the wind was so strong that it literally took the food and started like flying across the street.
We had to chase it down.
We literally had to chase it down in the rain. Craziest night of my life. Thank you guys so much for watching day 2 of 12 days of Vlogmas.
Make sure to tune in for day 3 and for the rest of the week, and give this video a big thumbs up.
Subscribe and comment down below. We look forward to seeing you tomorrow. Bye, beauties.